The project title is Automatic Refillable Hand Sanitizing Wristband. Our purpose is to prepare a low-cost, effective system for storing and oozing out of a liquid on a desired area after a regular interval of time. The proposed system may be in the form of wristband or some wearable devices. The current available products like our proposed method are something like that: intelligent M wristband, antibacterial wristband, hypoallergenic hand sanitizer wristbands. The observations related to this current available wristbands are: these wristbands are used RFID tags to take care of hygiene of nursing system, or there is a push button on the band which the user have to push for squeezing out of the solution from the wristband. So there is a need of a band which uses an automatic method to squeeze out the hand sanitizer solution or any antibacterial solution after a fixed interval of time. This is our objective or the problem definition of our product. This is a tentative design of the proposed solution. We are as shown in the diagram, which are designed with the help of AutoCAD software. In this assembly, we are having one wristband, one head, and head is internally divided into two parts. One is upper assembly, second is the lower assembly, and on the head there is a time adjustment knob which is used to set the timer. That can be any 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or depending on your requirement. The lower part of the wristband is connected with the lower part of the head is connected to the wristband, and in the complete assembly, that is lower part and the wristband, this complete is filled with the help of hand sanitizer solution. This is the detailed design of our upper part of the head, which is designed for the automatic alarming system. The solution for automatic alarming system can be any mechanical, electrical, or electronic solution. In this diagram, we are showing the mechanical solution for a problem. That mechanical solution in just like in the form of a spin timer which is present in our microwave ovens or the washing machines. Once a user rotate the spin knob to adjust the time, and automatically this spin timer will be rotated, and once it reaches to its initial point, it generates the pressure towards the lower part of the assembly, and which causes the solution to be squeezed out through the nozzles from the band, and this particular solution will be used by the user to sanitize his or her hands. Thank you so much. In our current situation, our desired